It's always so exciting when you find a luxury nail product at the 99-cent store. And they had quite a few of the Essie. This is from the reptile collection. They don't have the thing on it so I can do the reptile print, but they have quite a few of the colors. So here I was able to get Snake, Rattle, and Roll. And I don't know, I think this is the gray, but it is a doe gray color. So it is a very neutral color that I like to wear a lot in the fall and winter. You see the brown in it, and then you see the gray. So it is a very doe colored color. And for some reason, most people don't like these kinds of colors. People didn't like the line where it's metallic like that, but I really enjoyed them. I still have some of the Sally Hansen's ones, so I am going to enjoy using this, and I will use the Sally Hansen's pattern unless I find one of these with the pattern on it. And then this is the golden one. It is a very subdued gold. It's called Rep Style. It is a very subdued gold and silver, which I think will be a fun color for the Christmas season. So I'm looking forward to wearing this gold and silver for the Christmas season. Then I got Snake It Up. This looks like it would be a charcoal gray, but actually it's supposed to have a very dark navy blue color in there and then a gray with the navy. And so I don't like black, but I do like navy. So I got that and I thought, I don't think I'm gonna wear this in the summertime. I think that might be a fun color for the summer, kind of funky. We'll see. And then the last one I got is this green, and I'm definitely wearing this in the summer as soon as I use up most of my neons. It's called Crocodile, and I have a lipstick in my Urban Decay lip palette that will work with this. So I think this is just phenomenal. I'm looking forward to some Triple Shine too. I don't know what these colors are. As you can see, the 99-cent store covered over, or maybe the original drugstore covered over the tag. But this is a wonderful, wonderful. I'm going to do a little demo on this one, although I mean, I don't know. Whatever colors they have. But I find that the 99-cent store, once they start getting colors, they will keep on getting them for a very, very long time. See how this looks over this one here. Yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's a beautiful topper. And you can make this into a color that you can wear. Look at how it makes it look so watery and pretty. So I'm definitely going to enjoy using this in the summertime. I have a color that I'm using up right now that I do not like as well, but in the summertime I will definitely be using this as a topper. Had to have it. And I also picked up this one right here. This is a pink. Again, I don't know the color, but it is a carnation pink, and I love a good carnation pink in both the spring and summer. And even sometimes, if I'm not too tired of it, I'll wear one in the winter time. Obviously, the spring. Lastly, I picked up this Luxe Lace. This was really, really expensive when it was in the drugstore, so I did not buy it. But you know, Sally Hansen's pretty pricey right now. You can get close to $10 a bottle. But I would like to show you. I love the way this lace effect works, and you can see it there. I'm going to show you how it applies. I do enjoy it. I wish I had it in white. Look at this over this lime green. Is that not pretty? Oh my goodness. And I mean, that is so pretty to me. I didn't put much, but it looks very Easter eggy to me. I really like it. So I'm going to enjoy wearing that whenever I feel like it, because I love me some Sally Hansen's. So that's what I picked up. Oh, I forgot. I got a couple of these too. Milani. I was just recently told this line is targeted for African Americans. I didn't know that. I saw it, when I see the photos, I see Latinos and African Americans, and I'm attracted to the color selection and everything. But I love this color here. It's kind of an aqua color, and I'm very drawn to the aqua color. I actually got these two to work together, so that was the look that I thought I would want to wear in the summertime. So I did pick them up since, hey, all this stuff was 99 cents. Yes. And this is Sail Away. I thought this was a very unique navy blue. It's not too dark. so you can still see all the blueness in it. And you have to be careful when picking this up. They had some that looked like light blue if it had more of the shimmery stuff in it, and then they had some that looked like this one, which is a darker blue, and I decided I wanted to try the darker blue right now. So that is my haul of nail polish from the 99-cent store. I'll be back with a few other little tidbits I want to throw. Gentle Cleanse tea, and my mother says that this tea is removing her wrinkles and dry skin, making her look younger, taking away adult acne and that sort of thing. So I just thought I'd let you know they do have this Gentle Cleanse tea, and it is only $1. It didn't send her to, it's not a Montezuma's Revenge. It didn't rush her to the bathroom and stuff like that. So something you can consider there. I think it's just, the only thing in it I think is cassia. Oh, it's pretty good. Cassia, horsetail, and fennel. That's all that's in it. And now I got this one. I haven't used it yet, but I got this one for me. It's called Radiant Beauty. But since my mother's been getting such good results with hers, I thought maybe I should have got hers. But this one is supposed to be for your skin. And it's got a lot of pink flowers, hibiscus, and whatever kind of flower that is there in there. Let me see if we can read it. Where's the ingredients? Okay, hibiscus, fruit tea blend, lemon peel, orange peel, elderberry, rose hip, blueberry mix. So it's got a lot in there. I'll see if it works for my skin as well as hers is working. And then I got this 100% coconut oil. That's how they look, Coconut Beach. They are 100% coconut oil. They taste like you are on vacation in a tropical place like the Caribbean or Jamaica or something. It just takes you back. It's so easy. It's only $1, and I do really enjoy this. This doesn't have sugar in it. These come from Thailand, so maybe when you're in Thailand you can eat a lot of delicious coconuts and coconut jelly and stuff like that as well.